body, mind, emotion, and energy. These are the four keys that are in your hands for a fullness of life and mental health and well-being. Dear friends, October 10th is celebrated as World Mental Health Day. Doctors, psychologists, psychiatrists, gurus all become very active to give us some tips on mental health. In fact, I came to know about this day when I checked my mail sent by YouTube wishing me mental health on this special day, especially during this pandemic. So I thought, why not spend some time on this topic so that it becomes useful to me and to all my viewers. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. You know, my life is encircled with kids and students who are filled with so much energy. They are vibrant in their energy. Young bodies, creative minds, and full of positive emotions of love and respect. But now we have only virtual classes. Children are not with me. They are at home. You know, parents and students are not so much happy with these virtual classes. But I should say that it is something better than nothing. In this regard, during this pandemic, how does mental health affect our kids? Let's see. I'm going to share with you 4 tips which I find to be useful. Tip number 1. Play. Play outdoors. Play as long as you feel tired, you feel exhausted. What are the games you can play? You can play skating. Swimming is not allowed these days, but all the same, when everything becomes normal, swimming is the best activity we can engage with. These are not new games to you, but all the same, skipping and playing cricket, playing lagori, kuntabille, these are the games which our kids love to do. So playing outdoors utilizes and channelizes your energies in a positive direction. And one important thing to all the parents, if you have only one kid at home, it will feel lonely. You should make a habit of playing with the kid or make arrangement for it so that your neighborhood children come along with your kid to play together. That's the best way you can engage your child to play outdoors. Tip number 2 is have a nature walk. Children in villages are very much exposed to this nature walk. During this pandemic, they are at home. So many of the children are going along with their parents to help them out in the fields. So don't think it is a child labor. It is the dignity of labor. Children get engaged to utilize their energies in the right direction and in a fruitful way. It will teach them how their parents toil hard to bring them up. So it will be a little bit of, so to say, alilu seve. Okay? Good. So take your children for a nature walk. Children in the cities must be taken to the park at least and to the forest areas where they can be surrounded by green plants, green trees. Green is the symbol of prosperity, so it will absorb positive vibrations and fill them with fullness of life. So tip number 3 is eat food which keeps your mind and body fresh. So what are the food that we need to eat? It is nothing but fruits and vegetables. These are the ones which will keep you energetic and full of life. Now, tip number 4 is as important as the other 3 that I have already mentioned. It is as soon as you get up in the morning, within half an hour, you should clear your bowels. Children in villages do this before the sunrise. You know, although the government has given them free toilets, built and given, they do not want to use it. They will sit on the roads with the small pot in their hands, a kind of vessel, okay? And then the dogs, the pigs and the chickens will come and eat it. And the rest goes to the Mother Earth. I don't know whether it's right or wrong, but it is against the Swachh Bharat Andolan. So I want to tell my viewers, I'm not going to judge. My point is that we should eat food which can be digested easily, which will become part of us easily. The food we eat should become part of us, not that we become what we eat. And tip number 5 is for all the students with whom I love the most. So it is, you must read not only your textbooks, you must read at least a page every day from some other books which gives you knowledge or which gives you inspiration to your spirit. And then whatever you read, you must write down in a sheet of paper. And you must also every day help your parents in some way or the other. You must do some good deed. That's what is expected of you students when you are at home especially. So in order to have a full mental health, these things are important, and keep yourself joyful, happy by sharing and caring. That is the only mantra that I want to share with you. So friends, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and then share with your friends so that I get encouraged to make more videos for you. Keep watching.